Hi guys, today we're gonna show you how to make a fortune teller. Boop, boop, boop. I already made two. First you need a paper, but a square paper. Second, you need to, when you're just learning this, sorry, that was just a computer. You have to do it like that. And you need to gently do it like this. And after that, fold it back like this. And make it another one. Now, you see a little cross, but you need to do it a cross again. Like this. So it can be neat. Now it will look like this. And now you have to do it like this. This is gonna be hard, so you need to ask your parent. And if that, you just need to put a paper, shape it like a triangle, cut the extra part and open it, and it will be a square. Now you need to do it like this, not like really. And if you don't know how to do it, just ask your parents. They know how to do it. Now this is how to do it. It's like an envelope. Sorry, that was my brother. Now it should look like this. Can't you see? Now after that, place it back in the bottom. Yeah, like this when it's all plain again. Do it again, but you need a little push to do it. It's kind of hard. We started making fortune tellers a month ago. Yeah, it's hard. It's kind of hard to make fortune tellers, so you need to ask a parent, since I think they know how to make a fortune teller. To do it again. Now you just need to do a little hard work for this. Okay, now you have to do like this. Now the last part is gonna be kind of hard. There. Now you have to do like this. And now you have to flip it like this. Oh my God. And flip it like this. Then, after you flip it, do like this. This is the last part. Put it like this. Just put it like this. Put your fingers in the bottom. Have it. Bye guys, this is how to make a fortune teller. Bye.